Big up Crosses TV.
Anybody me I get the hype across this TV, them I like them. Me nah lie.
Kim push him out there outside at the door now, so I can't want to hear him voice. He not go on. Police them attempt to go on from last night and come back for. He not get run out from last night when come back for Kim.
I don't know, sister.
Why don't care about the police? Make him go on.
After the girl come for work. Yeah, wait till look for the girl, you know. The girl, you know, them things then.
People them want to wake up. Crosses TV, good morning.
Good morning, Crosses TV.
Guys, gone. While I was sleeping, I was dreaming. I heard Prince screaming. Because people always choose to come for Nana. Hold on. I want to share the live. It's a betrayal. I want wicked something. Hold on. Where's 360? Come here. Good morning, Camille.
Good morning, Camille.
Yes, I can't believe that everybody. Good morning, Nashan. I can't believe that everybody watch me. Camille, I don't know. I'm tell you what happened. Sunday Father's Day, when I was on the live with Kim, 30 teeth thinking Brandon, Kim dirty man. When bottom I bleed, I have the pictures of him bottom bleeding. Dirty Brandon. Brandon, because Brandon, Sunday, the Father's Day, and my girl, you know. I'm not a blood clot picnic. I don't pray already. I pray already. But pray, Nashan, ugly blood clot, rush you know, say rush do live. You know, say ugly blood clot, rush you where I walk a beg fuck. You know, say rush you where I walk a blood clot, beg fuck. Ugly rush it. Hold on. I go for my next phone, I'm showing her who me attack. Crosses TV, I know Brandon live in a $1 van. $1 van the parking in one yard, him and 5 of him friend them. Hold on. Everybody always here when Kim say, oh, me makes Brandon. Because everybody has said Brandon blood clot, nasty, him stink, him not beard, him teeth dirty, him mouth this. Never judge him. Hold on. Brandon never buy a bed in a blood clot America. No matter how much money Brandon sell drugs to people. Brandon got to pay the people them money for them blood clot jobs. Nobody not frightened for Brandon money. Which money Brandon have? See Kim run him out her house from yesterday and call police and him still come back this man. Him have nowhere to go. Hold on. Brandon ugly sister, you hear my voice gone? Me and Brandon have an argument yesterday on the phone because him got tell Tuffy say him can't believe say me and Kim want to mix up and bagger and him have him chop business to look bout. Because Brandon cannot read, alright. So he might look help, he might look people for help him build him shit for blood clot free. Hold on. Him got tell Tuffy, everybody knows say Tuffy come from life, come call me name. Who didn't know say Brandon pay Tuffy for call me name? I'm trying to depend on my life, I'm black in Dutch blood clot. Brandon was can't read or can't write. Brandon was sitting and say him want blood clot. Him want brown man for dead. Him eat blood clot wildlife. And him want Steven and brown man for dead. Cause him a friend with dancer and brown man cousin fuck him. Yes, dirty Brandon. Me and him argue up on the phone. Cause him go call my name to blood clot Tuffy. This bumbo clot batty boy send me picture when batty will bleed. Like girl, I see them period. I got blood clot come call him ugly sister. Look for his sister Crosses. Hold on. No we cause him chop blood clot him too. Hold on. Want to hear on sister them. Listen, Kim can't tell us how me him call him batty I bleed. Me him call. You call me when your body bleed, you couldn't call nobody else. But you want to come tell your blood clot ugly sister for cuss me. I eat my feet off if you cuss everybody. See this is Brandon's sister. She had 20 something with two baby father. She can't cuss me. This is Brandon's blood clot sister. Tell her for sure her bed. Tell her for sure her work. Tell her for sure her school. This is Brandon fucky box blood clot sister. We fuck and breathe 2 times and she not 25. All you see my come from blood clot live a contact. Brandon sister they are dead for hungry blood clot Jamaica. Brandon I do nothing with him blood clot life. If Diary they never cuss himself, not have nothing on the blood clot just the chuck. Brandon you can tell people about oh me vex you about blood clot money. All of the vex you about money and when I go for your chuck and me a call and buy a blood clot 2 grand. I'm tell us I don't have it. But I never give my blood clot 2 grand leaky back to what boy Brandon. Brandon, my friend Kim tell me say suck out her pussy and batty no blood clot. I want war the girl every time you call me. Kim no want fuck me, Kim no want fuck me. Kim say she done and me can't make him fuck me in my body. When I call Kim and I say Kim want me to Brandon, why you no want fuck Brandon? Kim say because he want fuck me in my body. So which body fucker can blood clot talk to me? Suck him mother. I would suck him send request. I such a woman come from my life. Him can't talk to me. Him sister can't talk to me. Him sister can't talk to me. Brandon I go send out to Bashem is that bitch. If you argue on the phone, you run and call your sister, you call up Melissa name, you talk about Dora, you just open on my bitch. That's Steve here. When I talk to this man from 2016 to 2022. The man walk and friend every blood clot enemy him have. Him obsessed. Him walk and friend every blood clot enemy. So Fire was my friend. Sheena was my blood clot friend. Melissa was my friend. Dora was blood clot my friend. Them don't know him from nowhere. Nowhere. Him tell me some fuck Dora for $150. Him. Someone know where I'm get up this man and call the girl name for. You know, Sister Brandon is a bitch. My beg blood clot current them to stop cussing. You know, Sister Brandon is a big old blood clot bitch. Kim run him out of the house last night and come back this morning. Brandon has told me know you live your life. Remember when the girl threw out the blood clot clothes with one laundry bag and Kim cousin kick it down the step and go fit and cuss blood clot Jessica. Nasty Brandon, members have $1 for they live in a Brandon. Brandon, me take you out of $1 van. Me call blood clot Kim and cuss Kim to go for you. Me go pay na 51st between blood clot church and Linden. Brandon, you not buy no shoes, no shirt. Where you thinking was sister go? Your sister will buy blood clot fuck with the little money where you give her. Eh? Hold on. Nash gone. Cross this TV, I'm show you all this ugly blood clot nasty bitch, right? Last year for Mother's Day, one little girl will call me mommy. She said to me, always get my life, and I said, I want one air fryer. For Mother's Day, last year, girl called me and said, go downstairs, your Mother's Day gift down there. When I go, my sister is an air fryer. I cooking on my air fryer Sunday. Every time I use my air fryer, I remember blood clot David. Remember David. Which blood clot? Yes, that's your talk about. That's your talk about. That's your blood clot talk about. So could you choose the show where you have. See a young girl breathe 2 times for 2 different man. Where you have choose look where you ugly. Where you go? Big up David every time I plug in this. Remember you. Every time I plug in this, remember yo. See me big bum clock microwave everybody. I want to this nasty girl. I want to this nasty blood clot girl. What you talk about? What? It's my blood clot house. Everything in your mind. What are you talking about? Eh? Oh, you come a blood clot argue with me. We have crosses. I'm going to tell you something. You see Kim? Kim is my friend. You see Kim? You Mr. Kim? Want beg you 5 bills? Or me never not beg Kim. Kim, I beg you. Kim, I beg you no. Kim, me a beg you no. Me a call you till I say, Kim, why you pay my rent for me, my light for me, my gas for me. Much less blood clot, Brandon. Brandon, I tell her, I boy, pay for immigration lawyer for me. He pay for this. Brandon, I try you look bigger for my blood clot name. Brandon, what you give me? Brandon, you make China vex. Because you promise China the blood clot $100. China vex. China vex and gone. Because they come blood clot promise $100. You love to play blood clot big. Brandon, you never buy a bed yet. Hold on, let me drink water. Come here, rub that from last night. You make your sister for sure you. Them a blood clot enemy. Brandon a blood clot greed lizard. Brandon go tell his sister to go up on Baga TV. Yes, to him know say we are arguing with the people but him want in a Kim house. Him call me and tell me things out there for cuss Kim, you know. When me tell Kim to stop calling me name with Tuffy. I'm not gonna repeat it. Come and I give no blood clot girl ammunition. This is Brandon real blood clot sister. This is Brandon. I must think a joke. See her with filter. And she this with filter. See her with filter. This is Brandon blood clot ugly sister. Bitch, you can't talk about my kids. Yes, them did some makeup long time. Brandon hate Kim, you know. So you see true anytime he want me to talk to him alone. Everybody remember when jump on the live, come talk about, come off of blood clot Lloyd. What do you want me to on the live with Kim? Brandon go like say my man, I never fuck Brandon. Brandon crying in a blood clot. Brandon fingernail them dirty. Brandon no beard, Brandon no brush teeth. Me tell me look at me. Say anytime we're going over there, don't make Brandon broke off nothing to give for blood clot. Don't make him touch on the. I'm gonna play the voice note with him sister. Him go far. Him is a bitch. Brandon call everybody. They don't know what to say. Him is the only man. Him is the only blood clot man in this. Him is the only male blood clot species in the world. Because Brandon tell Kim say girl fuck him and body with dildo. So maybe that's why I'm start to act so feminine. Voila. Nobody boy will take fucking and body can blood clot talk to me. Me not give a fuck if you make girl play in body with blood clot below. And I come beg me blood clot. I come beg keep filling out him body. Brandon want a blood clot beard. Him fucking out there. This blood clot dirty body boy. So now you send me something. Are you send it to them, brother? This dirty nasty stinking boy about him come tell. You can't send out. Look on him and look on him sister. I'm sure again. Look on this. Hold on. Yeah, I'm freaky. Big time. Unknown. The boy I got boy I call Melissa. Him no, I call Dora and the whole of them. Me Brandon gonna be a man. Big pussy boy gonna be a man. Me tell you now. Me tell you blood clot now. We gotta come in here with tough if I suck with Brandon. Brandon I go and Kim put dildo in blood clot mouth for suck off. Brandon I want Kim blood clot put her dildo in her mouth. And Kim tell us say what is this? Kim don't know if you're a bottom man or if you're straight. That's you come and tell me. But blood can apologize to Foley. If Foley contacts the back in your blood, but suck your mother. You are your ugly blood class sister. I call who you want, call pussy. You want to chat 90s man, them no blood clot. This is the sister. I feel like she can't come to life, come talk about blood clot, nana. Why ugly people always come for me? I want me to ugly blood clot people in our life. Eh? Me ever burn up the ugly girl yet? Me ever blood clot push the ugly girl in front of a moving car? I want the ugly girl so. I want to them ugly blood clot girl. This is what they are, see Brandon there. This is what they are when them got Jamaica, so she look in her real life. This is how she look in her real life. See him then in the background. This is what I'm going to Jamaica. Yes, it's revelation. Yes, it is. Because when the people my beg me for rub him out. Remember say what they come because I put him for my life. And this blood clot bleeding batty boy. This batty boy every time him get up and sit down and get up blood upon him pants. Can make get a play name batty. I look like him, you don't fuck Foley. Him up in a car with Foley and bring Foley got Queens and bring Foley there so him bring Foley got dinner. Him do, yeah. You gotta send out your blood clot, you can't send out a mongrel if you come talk to me. Brandon's sister is about 23. She walk and fuck like that, she don't have nothing. Brandon send her one barrel and she sell out the whole barrel for buying one man because she ugly and she want a nice brown bleach out man. And you know the chopper them not having it. Brandon's sister sell out the whole barrel for blood clot. Figure buy fuck. Brandon chat the man them from Queens. What them name again? What the blood clot you name? Plug man. Or plug man them a pussy and him this and him gun tell how much gun him have and two first man them and this and that and wildlife this and that. Oh go Brandon, you chat the whole of the man them like that. But you never talk say you didn't need help for left out of Bronx. You never talk say they need help when you got Bronx for there. The man them really blood cause you nobody in Brandon a woman strength to have. Woman, hello, people put the life. Brandon say he's gonna set me up and me I got dead. Brandon say I'm gonna make people kill me. Him said that yesterday. Him said me and Kim I got dead. All because my cousin on the phone, them to stop calling my blood clot name. Everybody with me and them argue, yesterday I argue with him. Talk how him chat me. Every blood clot body talk how him chat me. And this stinking, dirty, yuck more blood clot nasty Brandon. Brandon, whoever give me, never blood clot beg him no up. Brandon, whoever give me $200. $200 Brandon. You not give blood clot toughy more and not tell him no toughy from nowhere. When me that run up and down and I spend my money to bail you out. When the girl them lock you up and I do you the most. When the people them catch you with the blood clot, remember them nearly kill you on 51st. Brandon, the whole world hates you. You got to talk about Melissa and Dora. Use that bitch, you tell me say fuck Dora. You tell me say fuck Dora for $150. And I mean for call the girl name this morning because she not trouble me this morning. But him come tell me. Him tell me and tell me I have Dora address. Brandon is a fucking snake. Yes, because Brandon is a snake all along. Brandon cannot read, cannot write. Brandon don't know A from Bullfoot. I'm a call him call me every day. Sister, me get one meal, what is? I said turn on the camera, all it good. Kim, and all I think him know about not nice and paperwork. Because when the blood clot tax paper come at the yard, him don't know any name. Him take up the whole of the meal them. And one time I go to boom and click on the camera and show me. I'm say not nice real name. I'm say not nice one. Him not give the meal Kim from not nice. When
No, I'm not giving them meal.
blood
I'm
clot
not giving
open,
them not nice
him open not nice meal in
I'm not
nine
giving them
care.
not nice. Me not get nothing not nice.
Him open the man meal in nine care.
Not nice. Give me paper, come drop him paper. Me having social put up flip mail it to him house because
No,
he not come back.
I mean so. I mean so.
Right.
I mean a piece of paper come for not
No,
nice.
no give me it.
Him take it. I mean paperwork, I mean paper like it coming out one
I'm here for
envelope.
not nice.
Yes, and him open it. Him slung in the car and open it and can't read him and one not nice name different from female. All
Okay.
this blood class thinky winky boy I come terminate. If I come blood class tell out him ugly sister, look on brother and sister, two finish have two baby father. And them one year apart. What catch you not which work she got this morning? We should go school, we should go class. Me and Toffee said she got push out her car go sell this morning. Bad to blood clot bad. What your sister do? Me bring your sister and me buff the whole of blood clot, you know. Me bring Kim pan blood clot and me bring Kim back at me. Me here una talk over this upon baga una put on a show and two baga them not like me at the moment. Them are gonna entertain and fuckery. You should have show baga your blood clot real face. Look how your blood clot ugly. Nasty, dirty roach. Remember, some adding a blood clot roof gang them cause you, oh, you're ugly. And I have to tell them to stop. I roach them call you in a blood clot roof gang because you're ugly in a blood clot. What you say? And me adding a thing, bitch. What you know about me, bitch? Brandon next blood clot nasty bitch. I used to wear my shoes and clothes and blood clot all year. Remember, some cut up my blood clot stinking ear out of my head and just take up that. Girl, take that up and go wash it and put them blood clot head. Them can't talk to me. Them can't talk to me. I need my 200 and blood clot here for my Burberry slippers. When I bring news, good, not get away my shoes and clothes can't talk to me. Not get away my shoes and blood clot clothes can't talk to me. Know yourself, bitch. When I get no kind of body know you. You well want somebody know you. That's a force. Somebody know. Nobody know you. Brandon say lick out him back to old girl. Him tell Kim him chat. Kim with Brandon chat the blood clot next nasty girl with us say. Brandon chat like blood clot dog. Boy you underneath live. Alright, my name. Go suck your mother bitch. Go suck your mother. Say your people get 4 shots underneath him blood clot. How not devil? Brandon tell me say your people get gunshot. Brandon tell me say them shut up your blood clot pitney because you're wicked. And you never know so what you do come back for your people then. Brandon tell me that. Brandon sit down and chat every blood clot body and tell people want fuck him. But want to see Brandon in a real life. They want to tell Brandon look like a human being when Kim bring a barber shop. And hairstyle and I wash him here and cut it and blood clot, fix him up. Me are the only girl that take Brandon and cut all him fingernail. Me are the Brandon you can't talk about bad man you for what? Brandon I'm going to take out a blood clot dollar van. Brandon remember say me I cook look mackerel and rice, me call you and give you some. Remember when Kim said she don't want you like nah. And do that, I say Kim I want prayer. Just need look a fix up, just need look a beard up, look a brush teeth, look a wash hand. I have a picture of me see me sit up on a phone. When you lie down on King blood clot wrong with my watch for your hand. Big pussy Brandon, you been a watch me doing this. You can tell me about how Charlene up your me make me walk this. Charlene can't up your blood clot me to make me walk this Brandon. You can't you hey. I want to this nasty blood clot boy when come out to him ugly duckling blood clot sister. Brandon, you stop your shame with your sister in a post them in a talk about them because them ugly. Boy, get a lick out batty wall. See my boy lick out my batty wall, me have to bend over. Brandon use a bitch. That's why you come blood clot, cuss it, girl. Be a girl worried. Be a girl worried and chat the man them back a closed door. You let's man them no over here. The man them from on a fancy clean no over here. Can't say I'm gonna send man come shoot up blood clot new lots. We are not shade lots and blood clot shut a cave. Them no over here. You let's man them no over here. Him say oh them fuck him. Say I'm gonna send man go blood clot shoot them up. Them no over here. Somebody talk blood clot new lots man them. Leaky blood clot wetty. Bad to bad. Your body bleed. You calm. You must say Jesus Christ what that? Must say go on a doctor. That's not normal. What that? Oh no, sister, alright, mama, Suga, I know you're not going because you know where the bleeding was coming from. The people them say obsessed with this body. You just lick out body so. You just want girl lick out your body and play with your body so. You just our so body boy Brandon. Where you see the sisters come in from blood clot life. Me come for life come cost you. Me cost up on my blood clot phone. Because you got come in to tough you with two blood clot like you don't want to talk it short. You love put on show like say you're doing something for somebody over here. Say that do nothing for nobody. Last time he came and tell the police and say she want to okay, don't pay any bills. You don't do nothing with the blood clot money when I go buy Kim the two dogs. I show you you're wicked. One time Kim go live with the dog and the people them tell me I'm a call him and say Jesus Christ. Whereby Kim dog whoop and no whoop a cuss Kim. I know because Kim say go buy Kim go follow go buy dog. Yes, this time of my money, but just allow them make them go and brag on the internet. But you know they are not giving them money. Brandon, who beg you something? Brandon, you sell consignment coke. You sell consignment blood clot coke. Yeah, consignment. You know what that mean? You have to pay the people them. Alright, you're in a debt, you owe the people them. What the blood clot send out your ugly duckling sister go? Eh? Your sister will say if you come stuck underneath her, you hear her like, play the vice note them. She class like dog.
Yeah, all of the vice note them last time.
Class like dog. Yeah. I can send her out to come blood clot come near. Eh? I can send her out to go up and bagga. I'll be telling them I can't rate bagga them. Because when bagga go with a blood clot, nobody ugly bitch there. Anybody will come to talk about Brandon real sister. Ask her for what year when if Kim have been on the cruise. When I last time she see blood clot Brandon. Who was there for blood clot him? Who was always there every quarter? Camille, every blood clot courthouse. Every lockup, every this, every that. Last year me in my bed. Him call me and tell me say Charlene's son. Call him and I beg him blood clot $200. And as it hang up the phone so him drop down, Charlene send blow through the phone. I say, what you say? I say, Kim, start prayer. Get the olive oil. Him say, sister, where you there? I say, brother, I'm there home. Then me talk to Kim. Him, sister, where you there? I say, alright, me I come. I'm take up my clothes and put on my blood clot shoes. And I look at the baby. I'm jumping on my blood clot Uber for $100. I want to go over there. The first thing I say, Brandon got beard because he never yet beard. He never yet blood clot beard. Mr. Brandon got beard. When he got beard in the Francis TV, but night down the man from the soul of him head to his crown, from the blood clot crown of him head to the soul of him feet. Me, put my hand from Brandon dirty blood clot foot bottom. And pray for Brandon. And left and gone me yard. What the Brandon call me and tell me say feel like kill Kim and I pity them. I say, what you mean? He say, sister, I feel like me I'm mad. I say, stop, take the pill. I'm hang up on him, I say, I'm call you back. I told my friend, baby, I graduate today. I'm going to call her up on my phone. I call her, I say, Mom, I need it. You're busy? She said, no. I said, beg you, come make a pray. I need to help me pray for Brandon. What do you hear? And this blood clot dirty boy because chew me up on the bumper clot live. Like him can't program me. Him can't program me. Not even I be able for them can't get me for blood clot stop cause my life you gonna feel like say I pussy will fuck with me over your son. You love run up on me like you know something about me. Try me pussy. Try me body boy. Cause woman strength you have, you have a broke for your face. And you got to do this and that and budge in a bad man. And Buju afraid of you and blah blah this and Mikey G this and pussy all I do is still and call the man the name. What the one from two first name Kim? The one from two first name always a call the man name. Masu or Masu call you and tell you say Him a go broke Sophia face because Sophia yes, you blah blah blah, you dirty blood clot, you informant. Brandon tell the people them say blood clot said radio building and you come out the next year. Said radio building and you come out, all they do is inform. The man them with a fancy clean and blood clot new lots. Brandon I tell police for uno. The man with a fancy clean and new lots by Addis Ababa. Brandon a blood clot tell police things for uno. For them come run up for uno and lock uno up. Suck your mother, Brandon. Brandon, your mama bring coke in her pussy and dead. It up on me. You go for your blood clot. I said the boy wicked and ungrateful. Why be unto you, Lavar Robinson? Why be unto you? You go for blood clot, dirty ugly choopsy. You go for dirty ugly blood clot choopsy who want to be just like you. Look how your sister ugly. Well, can't argue with me. I better they go for Tuffy. Yeah, I got to tell Tuffy about Tuffy if you come off alive, and Tuffy if you do better, and Tuffy if you this, and me here with it. And me here with it. See, you not tell China what they have to cuss Tuffy and tell Tuffy to stop calling your blood clot me. See, Brandon, sister. Brandon, ugly blood clot, mugly sister. Look on Brandon's sister. Look on blood clot, Brandon's sister. White squall kill it. This is what they see there, what they when them go Jamaica. This is how she look. See her there? I'm not see the rest side. Wait. Kim tell me say she never want to post no blood clot picture because the girl don't stay good. And you say post it Kim make she blood clot yo she stay bad. Don't come tell me about blood clot. I wanna know is the Kim.
I don't say it's in the basement. Hold on.
Okay. I can't tell me about Obia man give blood clot 7 soap. You believe in a Obia and a blood clot, nasty, cranny, ashy blood clot, Larry. You in a beard, in a brush teeth, in a put on deodorant. No matter what clothes they want to put on, in a beard. You in a beard, but you know what water do you. Me know what water do you. Are you make them a cuss Kim at about shit pan Kim? Are you shit in a woman bathroom for true? You shit on a blood clot, flush shit. You can't talk to me. Step on the wrong blood clot phone and the vice smoke them, you know. Hold on.
Man, I'm sick.